Let's talk tariffs. They're still on, right? We keep hearing changes every day. Give us an update on where we're at with tariffs.
Trade tensions are still escalating. So the roller coaster has been going in one direction. I'm not really sure if that's up or that's down, but it's not good.
Yeah.
Right now, we're in full-blown bilateral trade wars being fought on multiple fronts. And that's not good for anyone. This administration will tell you that they don't just want free trade, but they want fair trade. And so they're ultimately trying to negotiate better deals that they believe are going to be better for American companies and American consumers. Other countries impose much higher levels of tariffs on the US than we do on them. They also, in many cases, are using discriminatory regulatory actions that primarily focus on US companies. They, in some cases, force you to transfer intellectual property to be able to do business in that region. They obviously curb the free flow of data. They're manipulating the currencies to keep that trade imbalance in their favor. The administration is trying to get better deals and make some of that free trade be more fair. In this negotiation, you have to show that you're willing to go all the way. And that's some of the comments that we've heard from President Trump talking about this being a transition that we may have to go through. Some comments from Secretary Bessent talking about a detox period that the United States has to go through. So they're trying to prepare the American public that we may have to bear some pain to get to where we want to be. And I think they have to say that because a negotiation is tough if no one believes that you're going to be able to follow through with it. I think there's some key dates, right? So early April, April 2nd, April 1st, a lot of these proposed tariffs are supposed to go into place. So what they're able to extract in terms of deals between now and then, I think will dictate what the policy looks like in April and beyond. So I think uncertainty still is very, very high. They're negotiating and they're trying to secure better terms. And to do that, you have to be serious and willing to follow through. So I think that's what's happening right now. I'm hopeful that on the other side of this, we will have sensible and targeted policy as opposed to 50% type tariffs that continue escalating every couple of weeks, right? That's not good for anybody. But at this point, we're still very much in wait and see.
Who's winning the negotiation?
So I think it's too early to say, but every trading partner that we have is at the table, right? Are they doing enough for this administration? Unclear, but they're at the table. They're willing to negotiate. They're willing to compromise on things that they weren't willing to compromise on months ago. So I think we're making progress, and now it's a matter of whether or not it's enough.